$16.90. Whoops. $17.71. Jesus Christ. $17.71 again. Shit. $13.89. $15.63. I don't give a shit about that. Sorry about that, guys. I had to go do something for the rabbits. Jesus Christ. $16.42. Shit, come on! Come on! Bullshit! Bull fucking shit! 2020. Come on! God damn it! 1831. I'm using the fucking goo hung. Give me the goo hung. I'm using this. Sorry guys, had to switch cubes and I was having a problem with the timer. All kinds of shit going on here. So I'm using the goo hung now. Fuck that A5, man. It's really pissing me off. Had to change the tensions on it to put Rubik's in it, and I haven't gotten it back to where it was ever since, and now it just sucks. So I'm using the goo hung. Oh my god. 1444. Oops. Come on! 1604. Two more. You know, if one more fucking thing goes wrong, I'm gonna kill some people. Now I'm having problems with the timer freezing. I'm sorry, guys. This is fucking bullshit here, man. I'm getting sick of this. God, 1544. God damn it. 1801, alright. Ooh, I got the devil's fucking average. Ooh, alright. Yeah. Woo, woo, Look at that shit. Look at that. Oh my god. Alright, no, look. Devil's average here. We got fucking 1666. Average of 12. Current average of 5 is 1650. Best time is fucking wait a minute. Oh, best time, hold on. Yeah, best time's 1389, and worst time was that bullshit 2020. And yeah, 666 right there, devil. All right, see you guys in the video. I'll see you. Hey, stop making fun of me, asshole. What am I doing? No! What am I doing? Come on! Oh, what the fuck? No. No. I refuse to take a DNF. No. We're doing another solve. No. Fucking shit, man. This is bullshit. This is fucking bullshit.
Look at that shit! Look at that! Bullshit! Bull fucking shit!